Hey guys, so today we will be recording a new video for you. So it's not a secret anymore that Tobey, Andrew, and Tom are all in Spider-Man No Way Home. And today our drawing will be on that topic only. While I was watching that movie, I was completely enjoying every moment, but the moment that I cannot get out of my mind till after watching it for almost a week now is the one scene when all these three Spider-Mans land together on Statue of Liberty. So today in this video, I will be drawing the same scene but in a different style. You remember the movie where we have seen Mike Morales? I am going to draw Spider-Man No Way Home epic scene in the style of Mike Morales. So let's get started.
Spider-Man does whatever a spider can. Spins a web any size, catches thieves just like flies. Look out, here comes the Spider-Man.
So till now we have drawn a doodled version of Spider-Man. It's a very rough sketch. What I tried to do here is just to capture the overall shape proportion of each Spider-Man. As you have seen, the Andrew version is a little bit thinner one, whereas the Tobey Maguire version is a little bit bulky since he is the oldest Spider-Man, and of course our all favorite Tom Holland is very close to the camera. So we have done till that. So I'm tired and I'm going for a tea break. That was refreshing. Now back to drawing. So after doing that inking version, next will be the coloring. But before that, let's take a break. So basically what we will do is, if we take a sphere, just I'm doing a quick draw over for you. So I'll be using mainly this medium airbrush and this two medium airbrushes. So I'll just quickly draw with this. So I'll take this one and let me draw with this. Let's draw this circle or sphere, whatever you say, and then draw some darkness, and then we put a highlight onto it, and then we'll just do some specular kind of highlight, and just to make it look shiny. A new layer, and onto this I'll be putting the color. The advantage of this is now I can play with the layer mode. So if I just put darken, if I put color burn, if I put multiply, I will get different this kind of effect. You can see, like with this change in blend mode, I can get so many number of effects which will define the materials and the kind of treatment that I want to give it to them. Now the inking part is done, but here comes the most interesting part of the video, and that is the coloring part. And here in this part I'll be coloring the Spider-Man, and this is the most attractive part and which I enjoy the most. So let's get started. So that is how I drew the Spider-Man. It took some time for me, but I have broken it down in different parts, and I tried to make it as interesting as possible. So let me know in the comments below how you liked it, and if you really like another version of this full video without any edit, without any cut, do let me know. I'll try my best to upload that bigger video too. So until then, enjoy Art by Arnab. I know I have not been that regular, but I have taken my well-deserved break and now I am back. So videos will be coming back to back very soon. Enjoy, keep commenting. Please do keep commenting my videos, and I would understand like whether you are liking my videos or what more changes you want then. Enjoy the new year. Happy New Year to everybody. Keep rocking, and you always know you can draw the best. Thank you and bye-bye.